For the past 1 month, we have been continuously crying and tweeting for postponement of NEET and JEE. And today was very crucial because we were waiting desperately for the PM's announcement regarding this matter. But what we saw just half an hour ago, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, our Honorable HRD Minister, what did he say on DD News? I don't know which section of parents and students are forcing to conduct the examination that he is so much concerned that he forgot all of us, the majority of people, 30 lakhs of us, who are just continuously tweeting and tweeting. Many big people, many political people, they came and they supported us. But the government couldn't see. I just could not expect this from our Honorable Prime Minister. Today my all hopes are lost. And I think you all are feeling the same. I don't understand that is the government trying to act blind and whom they are trying to support. I don't want to speak over this because we don't have a clear proof, but it's crystal clear that there is a humongous pressure. From where are they getting dealed? They are more concerned about the coaching people and the private colleges that they will shut down. And they don't care about us. And what SOPs they talk. Doctors have said, WHO has said that more than 10 minutes of contact and more than 30 minutes of contact can cause COVID, whether it is the 6 feet distance or it is within a room. And what about the people who will be asymptomatic? And how will we write the exam for 3 hours continuously wearing masks and gloves? We will have to travel long distances. We will have to come back. If anything happens to our parents and grandparents who will take us, who will be responsible for this? I just cannot expect this from our Prime Minister, that he has become so blind and deaf that he just cannot speak. He can share a video with playing with a peacock. He can show condolences to the building which collapsed in Raigad, which is a private building. But he cannot speak on a national matter. The students are crying, the parents are crying, the political people are asking for the help. But he is not paying any heed. I'm so sorry, but this proves that this government is totally sold now. And they don't care. They just want to make rich more richer and poor more poorer.